Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this special occasion, I'd like to present my article entitled Coherence in Scientific Articles written by English native speakers. Okay, this is the introduction. Well, developing scientific articles, especially in English native speakers, may have some disadvantages, where some more efforts and struggles are required to gain in accordance to adjust their first language they acquire and second language or foreign language they used to study. Thus, it is common confronted by non-native speaker when writing scientific article deal with the natural and coherence, which creates great gaps compared to native speakers. Non-native speakers may achieve native-like after passing some various stages. However, these phases may be felt hard for others. By this, the present research tries to build up the coherence of scientific articles written by native speakers of English, so that it may contribute to convey the pattern of coherence which helps a lot for non-native speakers while writing scientific articles in English. Here are the research objectives. The first is find out what speech acts are implemented by native speakers of English while writing scientific articles. The second one is finding out what syntactical realizations used by native speakers of English while writing scientific articles, and describe coherence pattern found about how native speakers of English write scientific article. Here is the method. This research implements discourse analysis with qualitative method. Recent 3 accredited international journal articles written by native speakers of English were chosen randomly. Amount number of 313 sentences for first article, 252 sentences for second articles, and 210 sentences for third articles become the data of the current study. Each sentence is analyzed based on its speech act, purposively for assertive act, including asserting, reporting, explaining, claiming, assuring, arguing, informing, and conjecturing. Those 275 sentences then are analyzed according to which speech act they belong to. Besides, syntactical realization is also used to analyze each sentence. The sentence type, including declarative, imperative, and interrogative, also implemented to find the syntactical realization. Besides, sentence voice, including both active and passive voice, are also applied. Sentence complexity, including simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentences, are also applied to analyze the sentence syntactical realization. For us, the way how the writer begins the sentence by implementing some phrases is also analyzed as part of syntactical realization. The writer applies code to each point in each sentence. A sample code for both speech act and syntactical analysis is 1.226.7.L.07.P.19. The first one indicates about first article which is being analyzed. It is stopped for third article. Ray means this sentence is a kind of result or finding a part inside the article. The number 226 is the sentence number of the whole first article. Next, part 7, you may find the sentence at result, a part, and 7 paragraph. L.07 means it is on 7 line for 7 paragraph. P19 has a mean as on page 19. On this passage, you can find this datum. Next, the sentences are analyzed by presenting the reason why it includes to such classification. Here are the findings. Okay, speech acts found in scientific articles written by native speakers of English. Speech acts found in some scientific articles that are studied are commonly included to assertive acts or representative acts. Sir, as cited in Levinson 1983, 240 in Indasuri Error 2015, 3 states that assertive is the act that makes the speaker believe in something to be truth in some proposition. This is matched to the statements written by scientists who write scientific article to persuade the readers believe in the writer's talk. However, there is also some directives act found in the articles. Directive acts used to get someone else to do something, based on Hidayat 2016, page 6. Assertive acts. Assertive act is the most speech act which can be found in the data. Some assertive acts which are found are claiming act, assuring acts, arguing act, informing act, conjecturing act, asserting act, reporting act, and explaining act. The result is displayed below. Claiming datum 1.ab.003.L.05. This is the datum. While there is a general belief that speakers commence their discourse with information that is shared prior to telling information that updates the common ground. Our analysis of a corpus of monologue and a dialogue shows that matters are not so simple. The sentence applies a declarative sentence, seen from the pattern where the subject of each clause. This is there. The speaker commences their discourse with information. Our analysis or a corpus of monologue and dialogue. I'll put forward predicates. Taking a look by the first clause, where the statement is while there is, because the pattern of sentence is SV, this is subject verb, that it can be concluded whether the statement is a declarative sentence. Besides, the function of the statement is to attract the reader's belief by claiming a statement about doing an analysis of a corpus both in monologue and dialogue are not simple. The situation can be drawn as what required by a claiming act here. The writer wants the readers to believe that what he or she did in analyzing the corpus is not something simple. The previous condition can be seen by the sequence. The writer imagines that some readers will think that what she or he writes is not true. Thus, writing a corpus is something simple as an opposition. However, the writer is sure to write that it is not that simple because she or he has a reason to say it. Finally, she or he writes a statement in order to drive the reader's belief to think that working with such corpus is something which is not simple. Next, we come to syntactical realizations found in scientific articles written by native speakers of English. Syntactical realizations found here are mapped into some options. First is based on the sentence type, which is included into grammatical mood, including declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatives. However, considering the writing type of scientific article, the exclamative is omitted to analyze. Next is based on the sentence voice, including active and passive voice. Third is considering to the complexity of the sentence use, which include simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. For addition, the kind of phrases used in earlier statement of the writer, each sentence is also considered, including noun phrase, adjective phrase, adverbial phrase, verb phrase, and prepositional phrase. Okay. Here is the coherence pattern found in scientific articles written by native speakers of English. We can see that the first we can have abstract and then introduction, method, result, discussion, and conclusion. This is the scientific article. Next, coherent pattern in abstract. You can see the feature 1 here. And then here are the discussion and also the conclusion. The result found that speech acts of functions which were implemented were assertive acts and directive acts, where illocutionary forces of assertive acts were claiming, assuring, accruing, conjecturing, informing, asserting, reporting, and explaining. Meanwhile, for directive acts, there was only particular illocutionary acts. This is ordering. These assertive acts and illocutionary forces are suited to writing style of scientific articles which intended to convey the truth information based on empirical study. Directive speech acts which were found is matched to the way the writers asked to open or see some certain table to gain more information or clearer explanation about what she or he stated. Next, for syntactical realization, first of all, the researchers focuses on sentence complexity, where complex sentence was found most rather than simple and compound sentence. Second, the sentence voice showed that each articles were written in various active and passive voice. Third, the mood found were declarative and imperative only considering the SV pattern applied. Fourth, the way the writers began the sentences by NP, noun phrase, verb phrase, adverbial phrase, and prepositional phrase were applied variously. And the last, considering on the presence of verbs which indicates directly the act each sentence contained, mostly the writers applied by directly rather than indirectly. For the last, finally, coherence pattern of scientific articles written by native speakers of English was constructed by combining those functions and syntactical realization. That's all for today. Thank you.